How to add stickies on Edits app. Want to stay organized while editing? Here's how to quickly add stickies in the Edits app. First, open your project, then tap the plus button or add element from the menu. Choose stickies. It might look like a notepad or comment icon. A sticky note will appear right in your workspace. Just tap to type your message, add reminders, ideas, or notes for yourself or your team. Super helpful for tracking edits. You can drag the sticky to any part of the timeline or screen. And if you want to stay extra organized, change its color using the color picker. Stickies are great in team projects for leaving feedback or edit instructions. No need to message separately. Have you used stickies in your workflow? Drop your thoughts about it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.